Hello from Eventmanagement Shop. My name is Jesse Kiuru and I speak events. Been doing that for more than 20 years now. As we know, organizing events, any kinds of events, is a cool job. If you work as an event executive, producer, or basically in any role in any event production, you probably agree with me. There will be no similar working days to each other. Tomorrow is different from yesterday. And that's super fun. You wouldn't get bored. That's a guarantee. But at the same time, event organizing is not the easiest job on earth. It's far from it. There are tons of things you need to think, decide, and implement during your event projects. The bigger the event, the bigger the puzzle. You don't even need to go to mega-scale events to find out that you have tens of different event customer groups with their special needs and desires. Most often, you have a rapidly growing organization that works first time together. And for most of them, your event is not their primary job at all. Any bigger event operates with a lot of different industries, businesses, and authorities, from medical to transportation, event production to accommodation. And also, any bigger event impacts your society and people's everyday life, which you need to take into account in your organizing work. In most events, you have a D-Day. Everything needs to be ready. You don't have an opportunity to postpone your delivery. You don't get a second chance to resell your tickets, cooperate with your partners, or offer experiences, services, and other operations for your event guests. Sounds like a recipe for ultimate stress, doesn't it? Yeah, during the years I've got my share of this, as you see from my hairline. Well, at least I've seen that in order to run successful and smooth event projects, your event managements need to be solid and consistent throughout the process. During master planning, event design, event preparation, event implementation, event delivery, and also during the event wrap-up phase. So what is solid event management? For me, event management is providing tools, processes, and resources we need for producing and running our events. That's managing the operations like concept or strategy work, budgeting, HR, financial control, event design, branding, sales, venue master planning, logistics, event production, partner care, or administration. Important parts of your event to support your main thing, which should always be providing your event guests and customers event experience they deserve. And normally to make some profit out of this also. If we fail in event management, there's a risk we decrease the quality of event, that's customer experience, lose in productivity causing extra work and extra costs, failing telling and selling our story and not reaching our revenue potential, or get stressed and not enjoying event organizing as we should. Obviously, those are consequences we want to avoid with performing better in event management of our event projects. For that, we just need good event management tools and processes along our event project. I've tried and used probably hundreds of different tools for staying on control over my event projects. With tools, I mean all kinds of Excel sheets, templates, checklists, documents, plans, charts, PowerPoints, and other files I've integrated to various processes during our event projects. Some of them I've replaced with apps and softwares, but most of them are still in my active toolbox and use them event to event to help me to get better results for less effort. On the other day, we listed all event management tools that we have personally used over the years and decided to share these to you as well, in case you haven't found a good way to manage some tasks or operations by yourself. With the right tools, we are able to improve our event organizing, and by that way, the quality of our events. There will be tools categorized for different phases of our event projects you may download from our site. But the value of templates and tools is not the rows, columns, or functions included. It's the structure and logic behind of those tools, which helps us to think and act our events more consistent and to keep our event management work rock solid. And you know, this is a basis for great event projects.